Awe, I'm Curtis and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna go over Luno, the mobile app. I'm not gonna do the web version. That is in another video where I'm gonna go over the full web application for Luno. But Luno is a platform based in South Africa, Europe, UK and other countries where you could buy cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and more. So today I'm going to go over the mobile app. The web application is going to be in a future video for those who are interested in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is, like I said, is a cryptocurrency, but I'm not in this video. I'm not going to go over what Bitcoin is. That's another video for another time. I'm just going to go over Luno where you could buy Bitcoin. This is a starting place to buy Bitcoin if you're in South Africa or one of the other places I mentioned before. So today let's go over it. So you can download it from the App Store or the Google Play Store. So you can go. Once you open the application, you'll see your profile. This is where you have your profile. If you sign up, you have security, you have two-factor authentication. This is where for more extra secure, I highly recommend doing this. You have your send cryptocurrency enabled if you want to send cryptocurrencies. You have your biometrics if your phone allows you to do that. You have your password. You have your devices you are logged in, and you have your API keys. Next is your rewards. Invite a friend. If you have friends you want to invite to the Luno platform, they give you a 25 Rand if you invite for yourself and for your friends. If you want to use my code, it's not if you don't need to use the code, but I'll put it down in description. You'll get a 25 and I'll get a 25. You don't need to do it. So you'll enter the code there where you can get your 25 Rand once you purchase Bitcoin. Next, you have your wallet. So this is where you store your cryptocurrency. You have your ZAR wallet when you deposit. To deposit, you're just gonna go. You're gonna press deposit. Now you're gonna ask you, do you want to do it instant EFT or you want to do a bank transfer? All depends on you. The bank transfer takes, depending on your bank, it takes usually 2 days, 24 hours to 48 hours. You're gonna say how much you want to deposit. So let's just put an example, 1,000 Rand. Next, before you deposit, please note your unique reference. Guys, I'm not going to stress about this. This is the most important thing. If you deposit money into Luno, you need your unique reference. The one on my screen is BXC. Don't use mine. You're going to have your own unique reference where you're going to put it down once you make a deposit from your FNB app, your APSA app, your Capitec Bank. That's the reference you need, yours. So you have the bank, Standard Bank. You're gonna press in discount. There you have your type, you have your reference, and that's how you deposit money into Luno. So you're gonna have your BTC wallet. At the beginning, I think you're gonna have your BTC and your ZAR wallet. You're gonna need to sign up for other wallets. You're gonna have your Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. That's the cryptocurrencies that is available on Luno at the moment. So you're gonna have your Explore tab on the app. So here we have all, you have news, and you have learn. If you're new to cryptocurrency, I highly recommend going into the learn page. This is where you're going to learn the fundamentals of Bitcoin. I'm also going to do a video in the future, like I said, but this is the fundamentals. How do I get Bitcoin? Bitcoin as a digital gold. So that's important. Next, we have the home tab. So this at the moment is the exchange tab. You can, if you're more not worried about the exchange version, you can have the standard version for your home. This is where you're just going to have the standard buy Bitcoin, for example. Simple, not exchange, where you have your maker and your taker. This is simple. I'm going to explain that in the web application, make and take and all that exchange features. But this is the basic version. So you just, for example, you want to buy Bitcoin. Simple, no exchange fees. You're just going to do, you're going to say you want to buy it with your ZAR wallet. Then you're going to say you want to do, for example, you want to buy 300 Rands of Bitcoin. Once off, this is where you can set yourself up if you want to buy daily, weekly, or monthly. So for example, I want to buy now once off, then you'll buy next. You're going to ask you confirm. You're going to have your confirm, and then you're going to activate your pin you set up once you signed into Luno. I'm not going to do that at the moment, just wanted to show you. So that's how you buy simply Luno. You see here you have Bitcoin if you want to buy Ethereum, you want to buy XRP, Bitcoin, Litecoin. I'll know this is not financial advice, but I'll say buy Bitcoin first. That's like, don't worry about other cryptocurrencies at this moment. Bitcoin is going to the moon. So I'll stick. If you wanted to do the exchange feature, you just press, but before that we do price alerts. So for example, say you want to put the price alert for example Bitcoin, when Bitcoin hits 200,000, you put Bitcoin, you put once off, you say when Bitcoin hit 200,000, then you put the ZAR, create an alert. So you'll get the notification when Bitcoin hits 200,000. So let's just put that off. So next, let's go to the exchange. So here we have the exchange. Like I said, if you're not worried about the exchange of make and take, you just want to buy Bitcoin and hold, I would recommend using the standard version. But if you want to do more swing trading or weekly trading, I would recommend using, if you're on the go and you're not using the web application where you have your charts and stuff, recommend using the exchange on the mobile app. So here we have my orders. This is your orders you have. What you have done over the few, like how long you've been doing. This is your trades, the open trades on Luno. If you can see, BTC has a 489 24-hour volume on Luno. That's not like the highest volume on a cryptocurrency such as compared to others, but it's decent for South African exchange. This is like all the people who did trades on the Luno. Next, we got the order book. This is all the open sell orders and buy orders on the exchange. Like you can see, there's a person wanting to buy Bitcoin at 202, just under the current price. That's called a maker. Then you got the red side, which is the red. That is all the sell orders. The people wanting to make a sell. So Luno matches sellers to buyers. That's simply what it does. Next, we got the chart. As you can see, this is a chart for 1 day. You can do a chart for 1 week. You can do a chart for 1 month, one chart for 6 months, and a chart for 1 year. You can also change it to a line chart, as you can see. I recommend using the candles. You also have the dip. This is all the sellers and buyers. You can see there's a lot of sellers compared to buyers. So if you want to do a buy order, instead of like I showed you in the previous where you have a simple buy, you can do a place order. This is where you have your exchange buy or sell. So you, for example, you want to buy only when Bitcoin hits 198,000. You'll do it like that. You'll say in ZAR you want to buy 300 and you'll buy. If you want to do the same thing when Bitcoin hits, for example, 250,000, you want to sell. It depends. You can't sell if you don't have Bitcoin, of course. So you'll sell it at 3,000. Like I said, I'm going to do a more advanced tutorial later on. This is just a basic go, but I recommend doing your own research, of course, before you make any drastic decisions on if you want to buy. Like I said, this is not financial advice, but you want to learn how to make more money, and Bitcoin is the future. So let's do this. So that's, like I said, that's the overall on Luno. Let's just put it back to the standard again. So recommend using the standard, but standard, there's like all exchanges has a fee. Like Luno takes a 2% if you make it to, if you take it like a standard, if you do the standard trade. But if you do the exchange, there's no fees involved. But once again, I'm gonna do an advanced tutorial later on. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video on Luno. Like I said, if you're planning on buying any Bitcoin, start small. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Start small, like 100 Rand, just to figure it out. 200 Rand if you want to check out ease. Don't do it all. Like, don't put 1,000 or 3,000. Start small. You can if you wanted to and you have done your own research on Bitcoin more, but start small. Start with like 300, 100. All depends on you. But if you want to use my code below, you'll get a 25 Rand free. And once again, use the Explore tab to learn. Please, if you have installed the app, signed up, all that jingles, do that. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm Curtis, and this was a brief overview of the Luno mobile app. So until next time, peace out.